तैयार हूँ। और तुम?
जी दादी, मैं भी तैयार हूँ।
कल तुम एक कविता पढ़ रही थी, बताओ कि उससे तुमने क्या सीखा?
मैंने सीखा कि बादल से बारिश आता है और सागर में चला जाता है। पानी में मछली रहती है, पानी में हम नाव चलाते हैं, पानी को हम पीने के लिए उपयोग करते हैं और पानी से हम स्नान करते हैं।
वाह, क्या बात है, शाबाश। इसी तरह सीखती रहना। और आज विश्व जल दिवस है। इसके बारे में एक्सेल पब्लिक स्कूल में एक कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया है। वहाँ पर हमें इसके बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी मिलेगी। चलो चलते हैं।
जी दादी।
Honorable Excellencies, friends, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to World Water Day at EPS. World Water Day, it brings awareness on the global water crisis and places a spotlight on the importance of water. Here on the panel, we have our headmistress, Ms. Maya, geologists, educationists, mathematicians, and scientists. Over to Ms. Maya.
Thank you, Ms. Dora. Welcome to the celebration of World Water Day. We are happy to host this event at Excel Public School. As Ms. Dora mentioned, we have renowned scientists with us here today and an amazing audience. It is very important in today's world to create awareness about water scarcity and conservation. I sincerely hope that today's event serves the purpose and enlighten the general public. On that note, let us get started. I request Dr. Sadisha, a renowned name among geologists around the world, to take it from here.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಯಾ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಜೀವಜಲದ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವದೆಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಮಹತ್ವದಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 22 ದಿನವನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವ ಜಲ ದಿನವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸಲು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ನೀರಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಮೂಲ ಮಳೆ. ಬಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಮಳೆಯ ನೀರು ಹರಿದು ಬಂದು ಹಳ್ಳ, ಕೆರೆ, ಕಟ್ಟೆ, ಬಾವಿ, ನದಿ, ಸರೋವರ, ಸಮುದ್ರವನ್ನು ಸೇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಸಂಗ್ರಹವಾದಂಥ ನೀರು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಂಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಅಂತರ್ಜಲವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುವಂತೆ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಸಂಗ್ರಹವಾದಂಥ ನೀರು ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಉಪಯುಕ್ತಕರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ 70.8% ನೀರಿನ ಮೂಲಗಳಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಲ 3% ಮಾತ್ರ ಕುಡಿಯಲು ಯೋಗ್ಯವಾದ ನೀರನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ನೀರಿನ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ಅರಿತು ನೀರಿನ ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಹೊಣೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಕಲ ಜೀವರಾಶಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ ಮೇರಿ ಅವರು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
A warm welcome to Wonderland, the plant world. As we all know, water is the most incredible substance, the lifeline for all living beings. Dear friends, when we care for plants, it adds years to our life and life to our years. So let's plant saplings, give life, and make the planet glow green. I am a founder of Plant World, and all these saplings are giveaway plants sponsored by the Plant World. Hi, I see some kids over here. Hi kids. Let me come to you. Dear children, please come here. Miss Maya, kindly present the plants to them. Thank you. These are the root zone. Whenever you water, remember to water the root to quench their thirsty feet. And don't forget, the best time to water the plant is early in the morning and in the evening. Take care. Thank you.
We are very grateful for the giveaways. Thank you, Miss Mary. I request each and everyone in the audience to accept the saplings and help contribute to making the world a greener and better place to live in. Moving on, we have Ms. Aditya today. She will be talking about water consumption. Ms. Aditya, please take over.
Thank you, Ms. Maya. I find it to be a great pleasure to join these renowned personalities to highlight the consumption of water. You must be wondering what math has got to do with water? Well, I am a mathematician, but I am a fitness freak too. Math and fitness are closely related to each other, especially when it comes to how much water a person needs to drink. Here is a chart showing the water requirement for a person. As you get thirsty, drink clean and adequate water to be healthy.
What is adequate water? Let's see.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
So you would need around 1.5 liters of water per day. How much water do you drink?
I drink 7 cups of water, but I am not sure how many liters of water I drink.
Let's find out. Do you know the capacity of your cup?
Yes, ma'am, I have seen. It's written 200 ml.
So 7 times of that would be
1400 milliliter, which is close to 1.5 liters.
good job. Now you know about the quantity of water. Let's learn about the quality, that's the purity of water. Before that, let us all take a pledge on this World Water Day to consume the right quantity of water to be fit and healthy. Over to Miss Veena.
Thank you, Miss Aditya. I have set up a small booth over there. Can I have 2 volunteers? Wow, that's the spirit. Come on, children. Children, I hope you know that water gets polluted by human activities, right? Yes. Here is a small activity for you to conduct. What you have to do is, I have 2 beakers with water. You have to add sugar, salt and baking soda to this beaker. You have to add flour and then Bengal gram to this beaker. Shall we do that now? Very good. Keep stirring. Good. Now you add. Can you see the things that you added to this beaker now? Okay, good. Can you see the things that you added to this beaker now? Yes. In the same way, there are some visible and invisible pollutants in water. So, visible pollutants can be removed by filtering it, and invisible pollutants like chemicals can be removed by passing the water through different carbon equipments. And one more invisible pollutant, germs. How can we remove that?
By boiling water.
Wow, great children.
Thank you for giving us this experience, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. It was easy to understand this concept.
Welcome, children. You can have your seat now. On this World Water Day, I would say that the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will protect it. No, it's not like that. It's you and me who have to take a strong resolve on avoiding water pollution and drinking pure water. Thank you all. Over to Miss Nitya.
Thank you, Miss Veena. Good morning, all. Let us see how water gets purified. The water that reaches your home has a long journey that it makes through. Fresh water from river, pond, lake are taken to the water treatment plant for purification. Here, it goes through a series of processes like sedimentation, filtration, aeration, and disinfection. The first step in purification process is sedimentation, where coagulants are added to the water. The next step is filtration, where water is passed through the beds of charcoal, sand, and gravel. This removes the remaining impurities. The third step in purification process is aeration, where air is passed through the filtered water in the reservoir. The last step is disinfection. Disinfectants such as chlorine destroys the disease-causing organisms in water. Then the water is stored in the storage tank and supplied to your house through underground pipe. As Ms. Veena said, we have to boil the water before we consume it, and never forget to water the thirsty feet. Now here is Miss Maria, who is going to throw lights on water conservation. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Nitya. As I speak to you, about 2.2 billion people around the world right now do not have access to clean drinking water. As per a 2018 Niti Aayog report, approximately 50% of the mountain springs in the Indian Himalayan regions are drying up. Now, you might wonder, as a mathematician, how does it matter to me? Well, mathematics has helped me to understand the world better. For the students out there, please know that mathematics helps us to understand the world around us, the interconnectedness and the possibilities. And that is how I conjured mathematics for humanity.
नमामि गंगे। मैं समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ कि आप पानी की बचत गणित से कैसे करेंगे?
That's an interesting question. I'm from Uttarakhand and I've been blessed to experience the spring waters. And that is why, through our works in Math for Humanity, my friend Aditya and I have founded the Math Water Saving Initiative Award for school children. And this year, we are happy to hand over this award to Miss Indushri of Excel Public School. She has measured the usage of water and helped to reduce the water wastage. If one person can create such a huge difference, just imagine how much of difference we as a community can create. So, let's be water heroes. I invite Miss Reena from the audience, who happens to be the founder of Clean Planet, to come and honor Miss Indushri.
Let us pledge to save water. Let us go green and drink clean.
ಜಲ ಜಲ ಭುವಿಯ ಜಲ ಅಂತರ್ಜಲವಾಗಿ ಮಳೆಯಾಗಿ ಹರಿದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಸೇರುವ ಜೀವಜಲ ಬಾದಲ್ ಸೆ ಆಕೆ ಸಾಗರ್ ಮೇ ಜಾತಾ ಹರಿಯಾಲಿ ಬನಾತಾ ಪಾನಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು quench their thirst. Drink clean water adequately to be healthy. World Water Day brings awareness to the global water crisis. The life-giving water is urging you. Avoid pushing waste into the water bodies and act to mitigate climate change. Every being is in need of water. Water to me is water to you. May you and I make a pact to use every drop of water wisely. ईश्वर का माली है पानी. Do your part, save water, go green and drink clean.